here. Welcome to my place. As always, thank you for stopping on in. Ladies and gentlemen, you are tuned in to yet another reaction/review video. And we're going to dig right in. But first things first, I need you to do something for me. Give me a like. If you're not a member of the Birdman Fam already, do so by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think of the video and hit me up with a request. And last but certainly not least, relax. Take your shoes off, kick your feet up, and enjoy. Because we're going to have some fun today. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, we got a very special request. A subscriber and a friend of mine told me that this is right in the middle of her two sons' birthday, Andrew and Logan. And they had a very special request for me. They want me to react to a bad lip reading of The Empire Strikes Back called Seagulls, Stop It Now. Okay, Seagulls, Stop It Now. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I love bad lip reading. They have some of the absolute funniest things. Anytime I'm in a bad mood, I can turn on a bad lip reading of the NFL. They've got a bunch of those, and they always crack me up. And a bunch of bad lip readings of a bunch of different things. They never fail to crack me up. So I'm ready to do this. I'm excited. I want to do something that's going to make me laugh. So I'm ready to go. But ladies and gentlemen, it don't matter if it's a birthday wish or not. It is still pass or fail, y'all. Pass or fail. What's it gonna be? Hell, I don't know. But I'm ready to find out right now. Me and you and Andrew and Logan. Happy birthday, guys. I hope you enjoy this. Because I know I'm gonna. Because it's bad lip reading. How do you not? But let's do this. We got bad lip reading. Seagulls. Stop it now. Let's get it.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all in my pants.
What'd Brenda do to you?
It's nothing a little music can't help.
Why you hate Brenda?
Rockin', rockin' and rollin'.
Get it, Yoda.
Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now. Stroll on that beach. Said seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did, and they did.
Ah! Why seagulls going after Yoda? Stop it! Leave that poor little green, I don't know what, green thing alone. He didn't do nothing to you.
And me going like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids start laughing. And then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack.
Where'd the hacky sack come from? Oh, yeah, where'd it come from?
Run, run. I can be a backpack while you run, 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 jump and stop. Put me down. I love to groove and boogie.
Boogie?
Yeah. Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Hey! Leave our two alone.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah, I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face.
You know, I'm just gonna. This is hilarious. This is so. It just brings that child out of you. It's funny to watch. And these guys, on a serious note, whoever's doing these, they're good. Because I mean, this looks like what they're saying, and it's so great. I mean, you know, I know sometimes they modify it a little bit, but it's phenomenal. I'm digging this. I'm loving it. It's so great. Let's go.
Now run, 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 jump. I can be your backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift rocks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump. Now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the log over and underneath was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder. While you're lying there screaming, come help me, please, the seagulls.
Oh, here we go, the seagulls again.
Move your knees. Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever. You're sort of pitchy.
It's sort of pitchy.
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
That's not very nice.
Fall asleep. Don't fall asleep.
Yeah, you don't want to tick off Yoda. He's a pretty powerful thing. Ladies and gentlemen, bad lip reading. Seagulls, stop it now. Pass or fail. Abu. That's a pass. I was entertained. It's funny. Like I said, it brings a child out in you. It makes you laugh. You can't help it. It's just entertaining. Andrew, Logan, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I really do. Happy birthday, guys. Thank you for watching. And everybody else, I hope y'all enjoyed it too. Follow me on social media. My links are right down here. If you want to be a member of the flock on Patreon, right up here, get your list, get your request shot up the list faster, as well as get exclusive content. If you want to help out the channel but you can't be a member of Patreon, I have a tip jar down in the description below as well. Like, share, subscribe, pass me around. Let's grow the Birdman Fam. I love you guys. Birdman Fam, flock. I'll see you guys on the next video. Much love. Peace. What's shaking, bacon? Birdman here. Welcome to my place. As always, thank you for stopping in. If you like this video, go on ahead and come be a member of the Birdman Fam by hitting that subscribe button. Also, make sure you catch the videos on this screen, as well as a playlist of all the stuff I put together. Birdman Fam, I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.